What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at some tempered glass screen protectors for my Apple iPad M4 2026. Now, these are very inexpensive screen protectors. I have been using them for years. They work great. They're by the company JETech, and I'll leave the product purchase link down below. So here's the box that they come in. JETech tempered glass screen protectors, tailor-made for your tablet. And then here are some of the specs. Ultra clear, 9H hardness, tempered glass, scratch resistant, and highly responsive. And then on the back, they just give you some of their contact information there. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Check this out. So like I said, I have used these for years. Budget friendly, and they work great. So it comes with two screen protectors. So if you goof up one of them, you got a spare one, or if you accidentally break one, whatever, you're gonna have another one to put in place. So got the plastic off. Now this comes with two screen protectors in case you mess up one. You're gonna have it there. So you get your kit here, which is going to include a microfiber cleaning cloth, cleaning wipe, dust absorbers. And then you get a frame to help frame this up, make it easy to put on. And you get your two screen protectors. And that is it. So we're going to get rid of this. Drop that over there like that. Get everything set up here, guys. Let's go ahead and get the iPad turned around, flipped over. All right, I'm going to speed this part up, and then we'll come back and take a look at it after it's done. Okay, guys, so we're back in. As you guys see, the screen protector was very easy to put on. There are no bubbles in it, and I like that they give you the guide. So let's go ahead and turn the device back on. There it is. And then we'll check the sensitivity of it, see how it feels. All right, let me put my password code in. Okay, so here it is. Let's just move around here. So everything seems smooth. Doesn't feel like a screen protector is on here at all. Swipe down from the top. No issues there. Let's go ahead and try the pencil that I have here. Now this is a aftermarket. This is not an Apple pencil, but works great. Let's see if we can open up something here. Let's see. Let's go to Sports Center, ESPN. And as you guys see, works great. So let's see how case friendly this is. I have a UAG case here that fits pretty tight on the device. So let's see if this will lift up the screen protector. There it is on there. And it's not lifting. It's pretty... at least with this case, it is case friendly. It has not been lifted up by the case at all and looks great. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick up the JETech glass screen protectors for your iPad Air M4 2026. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.